The VAXMAY Battery Powered Sprayer holds about 1 1/3 gallons, which is a practical size for most home gardens without becoming heavy or awkward to carry. Its electric handle offers multiple flow settings, so you can switch from a gentle mist to a stronger stream without hand pumping or constant trigger squeezing. Several included nozzles let you fine-tune the spray pattern for everything from delicate seedlings to more targeted weed control along paths and borders. A clear tank with wide openings makes it easy to mix solutions accurately, check remaining liquid at a glance, and rinse the sprayer thoroughly after use. The body uses sturdy plastic materials and a comfortable grip, and the built-in filter helps keep debris from clogging the system during longer spraying sessions. A retractable wand and adjustable shoulder strap improve reach and comfort, making it suitable for treating garden beds, lawns, shrubs, and even basic household or car cleaning jobs.